today is going to be for the 4th Gen Tacoma build, the Mud Bath, the Mud Mammoth. We are doing a 2.5-inch lift front and rear. So we're going to be going with Toytec shocks. And these things are sleek looking. I had the chance when I went up to Colorado not long ago with Little B's Fabrication. I got to go visit their shop, talk to Hugo over there, take a little walk around, and man, they got such a solid setup, and that was the reason why I ended up getting these. So I got to see how they rebuild shocks, how they do it basically in their shop. I really enjoyed it, and I'm like, you know what? We're getting the Tacoma. Let's go Toytec. So check these things out. These are their 2.5 coilovers with, of course, the resis, and then they even give you the resi mount right here. So this is what's going to allow to lift the truck 2.5 inches. They are adjustable, so that's what gives it that lift. So it's set at that 2.5. You can actually raise it up a little bit more. And this lift comes with the rear springs, which are 2-inch springs, and then obviously the rear shocks. And we'll get to that later in the video. But for right now, we're going to focus on the front driver's side for this shock. All right, so first things first, I'll start taking this thing apart and replace these stock shocks with our Toytec shocks. All right, so I got the shock out. My sway bar was kind of holding that up still, so I wasn't getting a lot of droop here. Should be good now. All right, let's go get a shock. All right, now I'm putting this in. Make sure the arrow is coming towards you, and we're gonna set it in. One at a time. Driver's side reservoir comes out like this, and then the mount is going to be mounted up like this. All right, now for the reservoir, it looks like this part goes in here, and you flip those to where they hold. You tighten them down, and then this is going to go like this. I got those bolted on, which is a really cool design. I like that. We got those on. Now I just open up these little doors and put in the screws.
Play with it.
You want to what?
I want to learn how to teach you how to come and play with it.
I'm going to come play with you right now. I'm going to stop this side. I'll do the rest tomorrow, and we'll play right now, okay?
Okay, right now.
No, I gotta put on the tire and put all the stuff away. And we will. Got it? So onto the rear, got the truck jacked up, got first shock off. I got first spring on. Get the new ones. All right, so these are going to be 2-inch rear springs. I'll eventually be upgrading to a 3-inch rear spring because I'm going to have a lot of weight back here, but for now, this will be doing the job. Got our rear 2.5 shock for the rear. All right, now for the reservoir mounts. We got our nifty little mount here, very sleek design. I like this. We had these in the front as well. Stick them in like this, and I kind of move them around to. I think they find their way in there no matter what, but. All right, guys, and there you have it. Dialed in the other side. And that is the 2.5 Toytec lift on the 4th Gen Tacoma. If you're fitting 37s, you're gonna need that Viper cut. I cut that right away. I got a separate video coming out for that. I actually have one already on YouTube, but I'm doing a second one on Instagram. But there we go, 37s on the 2.5 lift. 2-inch springs in the rear. I will need to upgrade the rear springs soon because I'm gonna have a lot of weight in the back here and it'll start sagging. So gotta get those mud flaps off. But as far as the way she's sitting, she's all settled too. I drove it around the block. It is just perfectly even. All right, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions on the lift, check out Toytec. I'll leave the link in the description below to the kit that I'm using and the link to the website, all that good stuff. So make sure to check them out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.